Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now we are going to talk about what can we expect of Bitcoin and Ethereum to happen. Okay, let me show you. First of all, congrats if you took this trade that I called out in the video. It was like 2 days ago, where I said we can enter long trade if you break above this resistance line again. Let me show you my trades over here. Around $3,200 in the profit right now. If you also want to trade, you will always get the highest available bonuses if you use my links down in the description. So let me show you what's going on. Let's zoom in here. We had this symmetrical triangle, which is now already invalidated because of the breakout here. And let me show you this changed now. This is actually now a bull flag, and the bull flag has a completely different price target, and it's very interesting. I will show you soon. Right now we have the strong, well-respected resistance line at $28,800 above us. We tested it a couple of times, but we were never able to break above it. So the interesting thing now will be, are we able to have at least a 4-hourly close outside of this $28,800 price range? The price target of this bull flag is really amazing. Let me show you how it would be. It would be like this, and it could lead us all the way up here to around, let's see, to almost $35,000. But we have a strong, really well-respected weekly resistance at $33,000. But if we manage to break above the 28.8K dollar resistance line, then it looks very, very bullish for Bitcoin. And the question is, if you're in a trade right now, you have two options. You can take some profits because we could get a small rejection, or the other scenarios, if you break above it, you can scale up your trade. Let me show you what's going on with Ethereum right now. We broke down here, as you might know if you saw my video, and then we got a strong bounce out of this support zone here, and right now we are struggling to break above the next resistance zone, because as you can see here, we had many wicks and 4-hourly closes in the zone. As of right now, we are trading in the zone. The question will be, can we get a 4-hourly close above this resistance zone? Then this would be very bullish. Same scenario as for Bitcoin. You can take some profits now because we could get a small rejection. Otherwise, if we have a 4-hourly close above this, you can scale up your trade. And the next resistance is at $1,867, next one at $1,912. That's what it looks like right now, guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.